On February 4th, 2023, officers respond to a reported shoplifting incident. Then, the situation takes a sudden turn and escalates fast.
Come here, come talk to me. What are you trying to do?
Nothing. No, I don't have anything.
Alright, then, man. Keep your hands where I can see them. Stop right there. Hey! Stop right there, I'm gonna tase you! Stop right there! Come down right there!
Yes, okay. Okay.
Do not move.
Get that bag off. Why are you running, then?
Good.
Why? Relax.
Tell me to stop. Tell me to stop. I even caught you before too.
Where?
At Alberton.
Take off my mask. Don't take it off.
I know exactly who you are, dude.
Who am I?
I caught you at Alberton.
Dude, I did it. Okay.
Yeah,
Relax.
you did.
I am.
Well, stop fighting. Relax.
Just look at him. He has
I'm
my.
holding you, dude. You're not gonna move.
He has my fucking.
I know exactly who you are, dude. You tried to rip off at Alberton. And I caught you.
Wait, I used to work at Alberton.
No, you told me to do it already, dude.
Well,
I know exactly who you
No,
are.
well, I didn't take anything.
I caught you.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
why.
juice.
2777.
I caught you. That's why.
You got him?
Juice.
You got it? I got him.
Just hold. Grab him. Yeah, 10-4 got one. Attempted shoplifting. Also, possibly have another. Hey man, stop right there. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Stop right there. Stop right there. Hey. Stop right there. Turn around. Turn around. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach. Why are you running? Get on your stomach.
What are you kidding me?
Get on your stomach.
Tell me.
Get on your stomach.
Okay.
Stop resisting.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get your.
Hey, man. I'm not
Stay right there, man.
Hey, man.
Stay right there.
Okay.
Put your hands.
What's going on?
Put your hands on your back.
Don't fucking do that.
Well, get your hands.
The fuck? Leave me alone, bro. Yeah.
Put your hands on your back.
Do something. Man,
Put your hands on your back.
you hear what I said?
Put your hands behind your back.
I got money, bro. You can't do that for nothing.
Stop resisting.
Okay. Well, leave me alone, look. I got money, bro. I'm not doing shit, bro. Okay. You hear me? Okay. Let's go, man.
Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your
Okay.
back.
Look, look. You hear what I said?
277.
Came to buy something. You're hurting me, bro. There go my neck. Bro.
Well, stop resisting. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Well, let me.
You gotta do this.
Bro. Well, then I can't move.
So security had the other guy, I don't know if he fell off, let go, but we had him in handcuffs. And then this one was pointed out too for shoplifting. He's going out the back and he started fighting.
As the officer struggles to control the second suspect, the first breaks free from store security and takes off, turning one arrest into a two-suspect scramble.
You got him in cuffs?
What are you going up the back, you know? I'm coming to price the part. She said it's over
Go
on the
ahead,
back
sit
corner.
up, sit up. Put your legs down. Put your legs down.
Put your butt down, man.
They will pull me off.
Oh,
No,
put your
sit
butt down,
down.
sit down.
Like
that.
Hand you breaking.
Sit up.
Sir. Thank you. Can you get my hat? My keys.
Yeah.
Okay? Thank you, sir. Aye.
Well, stop. See what happens when you fight? You just get put on.
I'm just asking you nicely.
I've got him, bro. Get what you need.
Can you get my keys, too? It's my hand. Did I get on wrong now?
I think one of them may have been on that bike.
Where's my
That's
phone?
why that bike's
In my pocket.
That's what I was wondering, but I was like, I couldn't figure
Who's buying this stuff?
Let's go.
Come on.
Yeah, have them come over here. You have canines, nobody walk around on foot.
Let's go. Come on.
The guys walking said one of them ditched the bike and
Yeah.
took off. What's wrong with these people?
So one caught him because he ran. And this one, this one started coming to the back.
So she tells me, I asked her where the stuff is, that flick seal. She says it's in the back corner, so I came to the back corner. That's it.
Yeah. Where's the other one at?
The other guy took off running, the guy couldn't hold him. But he went down, the other one went down the step around him.
Alright.
How's your day going today?
Not too bad.
Let the other units know, male, still in handcuffs, flayed. Safrano, towards Rafina.
You take me over to where I came in? And you ask the lady?
Stop. Come on.
Oh, there she is. Can we get my bag?
We'll deal with that later, man.
Okay.
We're going outside for now, okay?
All right, cool. Thank you.
That's his bag right here. Here's the bag that was his. I don't know if you don't get a cent.
A bunch of customers said that he went down Zephyrano running. Okay. And he's cuffed, dude.
Okay.
That's not my bag.
Stop.
No, mine. Take it up.
Dude, stop.
My bag is blue,
Okay, we'll get
and the
it. We'll
lady
get it.
has
Let's
it.
go.
Listen.
Oh.
Don't resist, man. Come on.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You're tensing up and acting crazy. You searching good yet? Yes, sir?
No, I did not. Stop resist, stop.
Up and you're getting crazy, man. Just chill.
Can I ask you a question?
Yo, just chill out,
Okay,
okay?
my hand, you put it, but the cuff wrong. Now let me get against here.
Hang on,
That way you
hang
can
on, hang on.
straighten out my hand.
We'll
That's
fix it in a
simple.
minute, bro. Just quit.
Okay. Thank you.
My guys, still before there, do you have anything in my pocket stop for me? Anything legal?
Yes, right here, look. My knife is right there on my waistband. You get it? That's it.
Nothing else.
That's it, bro. Okay.
Your wallet?
Thank you.
I do have my phone in my pocket too.
All right, cool. Thank you, man. Yeah, I ain't got nothing here, guys. At all.
It's cool, man. We just gotta check, okay?
Oh, that, it's cool, bro. Thank you for checking, man. Making anything right.
Gonna have a seat for a bit. We have the MS coming to take a look at you.
Who are you gonna have? I'm fine. Your face is fine. I'm
We
good.
have to, bro. Sit down.
Oh,
We
to
have
see
to.
the emergency's gonna check on me?
We have
My
to.
face?
Sit down for now, dude. Okay?
Well, I don't want them to see me. My leg hurts and I want to go home.
Sit down, brother.
And that's not against, look, right? Okay?
Okay.
I just want
Do
to
me a
be.
favor and sit down, okay?
So have a seat. Stop resisting. Simple as that. You just keep fighting. Give us a break. We'll get those fixed. But get in for now.
Get in.
Let me grab a longer leash if you want.
Now let's check near Rufina. He said he went down Zafrano to Rufina.
His bike is around the corner.
Yep. Did you see a guy dump it?
I did not, but I was just clocking out when everything
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah, one guy took off. He's got handcuffs on him.
That's what I saw.
There's one cop trying to fight two guys. Yeah, they don't care if the police are here, they still steal. Crazy.
I don't think there was a bike, bro. 304-277, just double checking any bike involved that we know of or negative. Sounds like he went this way, huh? Seems like he's tracking fairly well. Like, does he need to have something, like, from the suspect to sniff for, or you can just kind of like look for. Okay, like looking for foreign.
It could help. It could help, but.
That's funny. I was just reading all the canine stuff to refresh my memory right before this.
Excuse me. You guys see a guy running in handcuffs over here?
Oh, we've been looking. We haven't seen one at all.
Okay, appreciate it.
Might be better in the car.
You think so?
I think it's gonna probably be too difficult with all the traffic.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure he's fucking gone by now.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I think we locked it down okay, but it sounds like this all unfolded pretty fast.
Yeah, we might be better in the car.
Okay.
I don't know how much we're gonna be able to do on foot.
Just an hour later, dispatch got another call, this time reporting a man in handcuffs wandering through a trailer park.
Did he leave stuff behind?
No, he said that he had bolt cutters in his hand, or like wire cutters, and he was trying to cut them off.
Oh, okay.
But he said he just left. He's got to be right here somewhere.
Okay. Homeowner saying he within seconds from us arriving that he left. He's pointing towards San Ignacio apartment. San Ignacio Apartments is the way he went.
He did it.
Hold on.
Sorry.
Do you know any of your other neighbors around here or no?
Yeah, my brother's over there, but he can't get in there.
No? Okay.
Or Leavenworth, bro. He can't get in there, man.
Okay.
He might have gone to the other side.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna take the dog that way to see.
Shit, man, he scared the hell out of me. I got my gun out and I said, get out of here, I told him.
What was he wearing?
He just had a jacket and he's handcuffed, but he had like cutters.
The handcuffs are still in his back? Okay. Okay.
He can't cut him.
No. He's saying the handcuffs were still to the rear.
Gotta say, please call me the canine. He's in there, make stuff known. You're not to my dog, you get bit. Gotta say, please call me the canine. Make stuff known. In the area.
I'm gonna stay back here.
Before I headed dead end on the street, probably heading back that way.
After hours of searching with a K9 unit, police still couldn't locate him. With such a large area to cover, the search got complicated fast. However, on August 21st, police received a tip that Marvin Jimenez Perez was near Cerrillos Road and Calle de Cielo. Detectives confirmed his location, SWAT moved in, and after a short foot chase, he was taken into custody using less lethal force. At the time of his arrest, Marvin had 4 active warrants, including possession of a controlled substance, resisting the unlawful taking of a motor vehicle, and aggravated assault on a peace officer. He was also charged with resisting and obstructing after fleeing from the SWAT team, along with shoplifting and an additional resisting charge related to an incident at a Lowe's store. A second suspect had 2 outstanding warrants for failure to appear in court, stemming from previous possession-related charges. In connection with this incident, he was additionally charged with shoplifting, resisting, and possession of a controlled substance after officers reported finding fentanyl pills, methamphetamine, and heroin. It's important to note that both individuals are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more body cam footage and case analysis. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.